Hey fam, welcome to my channel as I show you an easy box braid tutorial, very much effective for beginners. So first of all, we shall start by combing the hair, definitely. And as you can see, it's growing long. That's a win. Okay, let's do this. This after combing, looking all African. So you all know Shine and Jam is always my starter pack. Helps a lot when dividing the sections. Okay, so I will first divide the hair into sections before transitioning to braiding. Yes, so this is how I'm doing it. I'm using rubber bands to hold that I will remove while braiding. This is now the view from one side and we are going to start from there. So here I decided I gotta deal with the hanger. Quick snack, then we jump right back. So I'm using this braid by Darling. It's called Taji braid. I loved it. So we oil for easy dividing, sectioning rather. I also have to oil the hair, as you can see. Oh, these mirrors are something else. Well, okay, so let me show you how to braid it from the front side. First, oil the hair with Shine and Jam, not necessary though. Divide the hair and hold two strands and braid. Okay? Okay, now in details, you hold one side of the strand with your hair and roll the other side around it and ensure you hold it tight. Round the second time so that it can have a knot as in the beginning. So here divide into 3 strands. Now the hair, you kind of mixing the hair with the strands you divided while joining 2 of them to your hair. I don't know if you're getting me. I'm gonna repeat this. And then you braid it. And it's as simple as that. You hold one side of the strand with your hair and roll the other side round it and ensure you hold it tight. Round the second time so that you can have a knot, in the beginning. After you've done that twice, divide into 3 strands which you're going to braid with while joining your hair to the braids so that it can have just 3 strands, and then you braid it. So we proceed, more snacks and more hair. To begin, you gotta ensure it's tight enough. So here we're going to add Spanish hair for a curly kind of finish, and the hair is by Angels, the Spanish hair. Color is 30. And a thin strand it is. We are adding it at the end of the hair, and this is how it looks. They are so long, but what did I expect? Trying to see the length from the mirror view. Okay guys, so we are done halfway. As you can see, so let's drink to that halfway. Cheers to that, and some cake. Now let's do the blueberry because the previous one was vanilla. This is why I'm always at the gym, guys. These snacks. Okay, we are back on to this other side, and let me tell you, Mina, I ain't gonna do all that work I did on the other side, so we're just gonna divide as we go. So here the sun had set, no more natural light, and I had to proceed with the with my dim washroom light. Hey, all right, you all know the drill. Shining Jam is a must go to. I really don't know. I keep having eating breaks, but there's nothing we can do about it. Okay, so within a blink of an eye, we were done. How exciting! But it was very late in the night though. So let's oil the Spanish ends a bit and then cut the edges. So here it's just styling so that I can sleep well without the hair, disturbing me and all. And it's less painful because I'm doing it on my own, but the struggle is still there. Yes, I do love the final look. I mean, see it, open your eyes. I mean, alright, until next time, bye love.